Now look at this.
Are you ready to elevate your brand and streamline your operations? We've teamed up with LabelJockey.com to introduce our premier white label and private label service for all of your business's needs. From epoxies to polyaspartics, pigments, and polyureas, we offer a comprehensive range of high-quality materials that you can brand as your own. Need the right tools? Well, we've got you covered. Put your name on our laser-etched diamond tooling and specialize even in your own machines to ensure you have everything necessary to install top-tier resinous flooring systems. With a quick 2-week turnaround on your first order under a pallet, you can get started right away. And to our loyal customers, turnaround times drop to under 3 days with no minimum or no maximum requirements. Order what you need when you need it. Simply send us your high-quality logos and the information, and we'll handle the rest. Expect the highest quality products, complete with safety and technical data sheets in order to install and ship by governing standards. Custom branding adds value to your company and helps you stand out in the market. Why juggle multiple suppliers? Get everything you need from one reliable source while building your brand and protecting your investments. Contact us today and take the first step towards transforming your business with our white label and private label services. Keep crews and competitors guessing where you're shopping and take your image to the next level. We do it all, and your brand deserves the best.